This is the moment when silence breaks and the version of you that doubted finally steps aside. This is not the year you explain yourself. This is the year you prove something. To the mirror, to your soul, to the future that's been waiting. Let every moment that tried to erase you hear this clearly. I am still here, and I am moving forward. Not later, not eventually, not when conditions improve, now. Because the truth is, your life doesn't change when circumstances change. Your life changes when your decision does. You were not created to stall. You were not built to fade quietly. You were not designed to spend your days surviving and your nights wondering what could have been. There is something inside you that refuses to die, even when everything around you collapses. That voice, that whisper, that pull, that says, there is more. And the comeback doesn't start when fear disappears. It starts when fear is no longer in control. You don't wait to feel strong. You act, and strength follows. You don't wait for clarity. You move, and clarity catches up. There will be moments when progress feels invisible, when effort feels ignored, when discipline feels lonely. Those moments are not signs to stop. They are proof that you are building something real. Growth is quiet before it is undeniable. You don't need permission. You don't need approval. You don't need applause. You need commitment. Commitment to show up when motivation disappears. Commitment to continue when comfort calls you back. You weren't meant to fit in. You were meant to expand, to stretch, to push beyond the limits you once accepted as truth. And yes, you will lose people on the way. Habits, versions of yourself that no longer belong in the future you're building. Let them go. Elevation always requires release. There will be days when your energy is low, when your confidence shakes, when the noise gets loud. Those days do not define you. Your response does. Stand up anyway. Move anyway. Take the step anyway. Because discipline outlasts emotion every single time. You are not late. You are not behind. You are being prepared. What felt like delay was development. What felt like isolation was instruction. You are learning how to stand without leaning, how to fight without an audience, how to believe without evidence. That kind of strength cannot be taught, only earned. You don't rise by accident, you rise by intention. So stop shrinking your dreams to match your fears and start strengthening your habits to match your vision. This is the season you stop negotiating with doubt. This is the era you stop making excuses comfortable. You don't owe the world perfection. You owe yourself effort. Relentless effort. Not loud, not flashy, not for validation. Consistent. Every day you choose discipline. You vote for the future version of you that refuses to quit. And understand this. Your breakthrough doesn't have to look impressive, it just has to be real. One step, one decision, one action, repeated. That's how momentum is built. You are not rebuilding, you are refining. You are not restarting from zero, you are restarting with wisdom. And when people question your intensity, your focus, your refusal to settle, let them. They don't see what you've survived. They don't feel what drives you. They don't carry your responsibility. You do! So rise with purpose. Move with urgency. Act like the opportunity you're waiting for depends on you. Because it does. This life is not a rehearsal. This moment will not repeat. And comfort has never created greatness. Choose the harder path. Choose the disciplined path. Choose the honest path. The version of you that keeps going will thank you. This is not about hype. This is about direction. This is not about motivation. This is about identity. You are becoming someone who finishes, who endures, who follows through. And that changes everything. Stand up, lock in, move forward. You're not done. You are not finished. You are just getting started. Now move and don't look back.